Latex sponge wedge. The sponge should be moistened before use. Designed to apply foundation for cleaning and sculpting under the eyes during eye makeup. Powder puff. To apply powdered or solid powder. Q-tip, our eraser. Good for correcting mascara or lipstick that is out of the lines and for any other corrections necessary. Mascara brush. Bristol density, thin. Used to comb brows and lashes to remove traces of mascara from the lashes. Flat wide brush. Bristol density, thin. Used to apply and blend eyeshadow on the entire eyelid area and the inner edge near the nose, and to blend eyeshadow on the brow bone. Medium flat wide brush. Bristol density, medium. Use to blend and smudge eyeshadow on the entire eyelid area. Medium angled brush. Bristol density, medium. Use to blend and smudge eyeshadow on the underbrow. Also good to smudge eyeshadow on the outer edge of the eye. Straight wide outline brush. Bristol density, thin. Use to gently outline and accent the upper and lower lash lines. Small angled brush. Bristol density, thin. Use to accent brows, thin straight or angled outline of the upper lash line. Classic eyeliner brush. Shape, thin brush. Bristol density, thin. Use thin straight or angled outline of the upper lash line. Straight small outliner brush. Bristol density, medium. Use a medium angled or straight outline of the upper and lower lash lines. A thick and more accurate accent of the lash borders and the outer edge of the eye. Medium smudge brush. Shape, narrow at the base and widens. Bristol density, medium. Use smudging of medium and dark colored eyeshadow and their edges. Narrow smudge brush. Shape, narrow at the base and widens. Bristol density, thin. Use application, smudging of medium and dark colored eyeshadow and their edges. Large outline brush. Shape, pipe. Bristol density, thick. Use thick outline of the upper and lower lash lines. More accurate smudging of eyeshadow at the outer edge of the eye. Medium liner brush. Shape, pipe. Bristol density, thin. Use medium outline of the upper and lower lash lines. Very wide smudge brush. Shape, rectangular. Bristol density, medium. Use smudging of the entire eye area and accenting the upper part of the cheekbones. Large blush brush. Shape, narrow at the base and widens. Bristol density, thick. Use to apply blush and powder to the cheekbones and face contours. Angled blush brush. Shape, large angled. Bristol density, thick. Use to apply blush for a strong shaping of the cheekbones. Good for applying blush on the cheek apples. Small thick angled brush. Shape, small, angled. Bristol density, thick. Use to shadow the sides of the nose, the temples, and the cheekbones. Blush brush. Very good for the final smudging of eyeshadow of the eyes, good for accenting the upper part of the cheekbones. Lip brush. Shape, small angled or straight. Bristle density, thin. Use to apply lipstick and gloss to the lips.